Today we're going to change the oil in the 2009 Camry. I do not have a floor jack, so I'm going to use these, which every RVer probably has a set of these. So if you don't have these, you can probably cut some 2x12 or something. Probably do the same thing. Tester oil, GTX, synthetic blend, 5W20. That's a Mobile One filter. So let's get started. There's our oil filter, and there's our drain plug. So it's not a whole lot of room, but if you don't have a floor jack, this will get it done. It's the first car I've ever owned, so all I have are bottle jacks. So the only jack I have that'll get under this thing is the little cheesy one that comes with the thing, and I don't really trust that for getting up under it. I'm gonna take the oil cap loose here, let it flow out easier. The drain plug is a 14mm. Trying not to burn myself here. Oops. Oh yeah, hand tight, the way it should be. That's a Carquest filter. We're gonna go with that Mobile One this time. For whatever reason, I feel like it's probably a good filter. I'm wiping off the edges where that oil filter seats. Just because I like it to be nice and clean for the new gasket to seat on it. Hold over the drain pan to do this, apparently. Get some good clean oil around the gasket there. Screw this back on. Okay. New filter is on. You can see it. Put the plug back in. Now, if you've never done oil before, you want to make sure and get the plug not over tight, just tight enough, just to where it kind of snugs up. Same thing with that oil filter. That needs to be no more than hand tight. What I was attesting to earlier. You don't want to over tighten the oil filter. Alright, I ended up adding about another half a quart, and it put me right below the full mark, which is good. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, if you don't want to use a jack, pull it up on something, and you can pretty much get in there and get to that filter and get to the plug. Really not. I didn't change oil in this for a long time. Well, I mean, I had it done at my shop because I didn't think I'd be able to get up under it. But after getting under there and actually looking at it, it's really not that bad.